Hey there. Today I'll show you how to save time by importing multiple locations into your Mapme project at once. There are two ways to import your data: the traditional Excel import and the new AI-powered import. Let's start with the traditional method. First, go to the Import menu in the editor. You'll find two template options, one for Google Sheets and one for Excel. Choose the format of your preference. When you open the template, you will find a sheet to enter your data as well as a guide with examples. Make a copy of the template to start editing. Leave the Mapme ID column empty. The system will fill it in for new locations. Add the location name that should appear on the map. For categories, you can list one or multiple. If you add more than one, separate them with semicolons. For the location, use either a full address or coordinates. These are the only mandatory fields for the template, but we also recommend adding more details about each location in the description column. You can use plain text or HTML if you want formatting. If you want to add a call to action button, just type in the action text. That's what the button will say, and the action URL, which is the link it opens. Make sure the link starts with HTTPS. When you're done, save the file as Excel or CSV. Go back to the Import menu to upload it. You'll see a preview of your data. Click Continue and choose Add or Sync. Add will create new locations without removing the existing ones. Sync replaces your entire map's data to match the files. Once you choose, click Start Import and your data will be imported in seconds. Now let's talk about the AI import. This lets you upload any CSV or Excel file, even if it's not in the Mapme template format. Once you upload your file, you'll see a message saying it doesn't match the template. That's okay, Map AI Import will take care of the formatting. Tap Start AI Import. The AI reads your file and connects each column to the correct fields, like name, description, address, and categories. If something looks off, click Add Instructions and type a short note in plain language. In this case, we'll tell the AI the column's rooms and size contains the description. Click Reprocess to apply your changes. If everything looks good, click Continue. You'll see the same Add and Sync options. Choose the one that fits your needs and click Start Import. And that's it. Now you know how to import locations using the standard and AI method. Give it a try, and if you need help, just click the chat button.